In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the JB Weld Windshield Saver Windshield Repair Kit. Really, these are to prevent cracks, chips, dings from further spreading. I've done a few other YouTube videos, which I'll throw up here and below in the description, with different kits. But with that being said, I wanted to try out the JB Weld kit and see how this one compares. Also, the link to this product is below in the description. Quickly before we start, I'm just gonna go through and tell you what's in the box, in the packaging. If you're not interested in that, I set up chapters where you can skip ahead to the actual instructions and how to do it. Okay, here we go. In the kit, your prep wipe, curing strip, adhesive disc, your syringe, a safety razor, the pedestal, a push pin, and last but not least, the resin. I didn't mention this before, but I already fixed the crack on my windshield, so I found a piece of glass and created a little imperfection for the point of this video. We're gonna start by using the push pin to clear out any debris, then clean out that area with a damp cloth or the included wipe. Then remove the green backing from the adhesive disc and press it onto the windshield, aligning the damage in the center. From inside the car, you can check for air bubbles on the back side, and then peel off the second backing so you can place the pedestal on top of this, making sure the tabs align with the disc. Make sure to press it down firmly, and then we can continue. You'll then need to open the resin tube and squeeze it into the pedestal, leaving just a little bit more inside for later. Next, you'll grab the syringe and attach it firmly to the pedestal. Slowly pull the plunger up to the second notch and lock it. Let it sit like this for 10 minutes. After that, remove the syringe to allow air in, then reattach and push the plunger down. Slowly pull the plunger to the second notch and lock it. Let it sit like this for 20 minutes. After that, take the syringe off and use the razor blade to carefully remove the pedestal and the disc. Wipe away any leftover resin. To wrap it up, place a drop of remaining resin over the repaired area and immediately press the yellow curing strip on top. Use the flat side of the razor blade to smooth out any bubbles. Move the car into direct sunlight for 15 minutes or up to an hour if it's cloudy. The UV rays will cure the resin and complete the repair. Once hardened, peel off the strip and you are done. And that's it. Hopefully that was helpful. Again, I have other videos using different kits if this one's not the right fit for you. If you want more how-tos, DIYs, similar videos to this, go ahead, follow along. Thanks for watching. Until next time, see you later.